How do taxes work for Americans living in Asia? In recent weeks, many Americans living abroad in Asia have been asking a pressing question. How do taxes work for them while they navigate life in a new country? As the global economy shifts and more people consider moving overseas, understanding tax obligations is more important than ever. Let's break down the essentials that you need to know right now. Americans living in Asia must manage both United States tax obligations and the tax systems of their host countries. The United States taxes its citizens on worldwide income, regardless of where they resided. This means that Americans abroad are required to file annual tax returns with the Internal Revenue Service. However, there are provisions to help reduce the burden of double taxation. One key provision is the Foreign Earned Income Exclusion. This allows Americans living and working in Asia to exclude a certain amount of foreign earned income from United States taxation. For the year 2025, this exclusion amount is approximately $120,000, and it adjusts annually. Another important aspect is the foreign tax credit. If you pay income tax to your host country in Asia, you can typically claim a credit on your United States tax return for those foreign taxes paid. This helps lower your overall United States tax liability and avoids double taxation. It is also vital to understand the filing requirements. Even if you owe no United States tax due to exclusions or credits, you must still file specific Internal Revenue Service forms. For example, Form 2555 is for the Foreign Earned Income Exclusion, and Form 1116 is for the Foreign Tax Credit. Additionally, reporting foreign bank accounts and assets may be required. When it comes to local taxes in Asian countries, the rules can vary significantly. For instance, China recently introduced a 10% tax credit on reinvested profits for overseas investors. This move aims to encourage foreign investment in certain sectors. Meanwhile, Vietnam has updated its corporate income tax law, effective October 2025, clarifying tax obligations for foreign businesses. Americans working in Asia, whether as employees or self-employed, must comply with local income tax laws. This may include withholding taxes, Social Security contributions, or other levies, which can affect take-home pay. Understanding tax obligations is essential for managing finances while living abroad. Many Americans find it beneficial to consult tax professionals who are familiar with both United States and Asian tax systems. This can help ensure compliance and optimize tax outcomes. In summary, Americans living in Asia must file United States taxes on global income but can often reduce their tax burden through exclusions and credits. They also need to comply with local tax laws, which differ by country and can impact both business and personal finances. Staying informed about both United States and local tax rules is key to a smooth financial experience while living abroad.